Riding on the vegan, gluten-free, and protein-packed wave, chickpea is proving itself to be full of benefits to our bodies. Cultivated since ancient times by Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans, this legume is rich in proteins and fibers, vitamin B complex, calcium, iron, magnesium, and other minerals. With so many nutrients, chickpea is a must in diets. Many people have never tried this special grain, but it doesn't stop chickpea from showing up in many different meals like hamburgers, salads, soups, and even desserts. A very famous Arab recipe made with chickpea is hummus tahine, very used by vegetarians because it's a great source of protein. After all this trivia, it's time to see a list of 7 amazing benefits you can have by consuming chickpeas. 1. Improves intestinal functioning. Because of the big amounts of cellulose in its skin, chickpea stimulates intestinal functioning, which makes it great for people who suffer from constipation. 2. Helps with muscle mass gain. Having great amounts of protein, iron, and starch, chickpea is great for muscle development. This legume also provides energy for physical exercises, improving breathing. 3. Prevents heart diseases. Chickpea also contributes to preventing heart disease thanks to its magnesium and potassium. These nutrients control blood pressure, which, when high, can be a risk for heart problems. 4. Helps with weight loss. Because of the high amount of fiber and the slow digestive process of proteins, this food gives a more satiating sensation, which helps reduce calorie intake. 5. It's good for women. Women should consume chickpea, for it helps reestablish the iron supplies, a mineral that women lose during their periods. In addition, the legume also contains saponins, compounds that reduce the risk of breast cancer. And for pregnant women, it helps avoid malformation of the neural tube on fetuses, thanks to its folic acid. 6. It's good for the bones. Chickpea contains minerals such as calcium and phosphorus, as well as vitamin K, which is of great importance to bone structure. 7. Prevents many types of cancer. The amounts of vitamin C and E, folic acid, and antioxidants present in chickpea help with cancer prevention, since these nutrients reduce the chances of cells mutating and developing a tumor. Are you interested? Want to learn how to consume chickpea? Due to its oligosaccharides, or complex sugars, many people can experience discomfort and gas when eating chickpea. To avoid it, it's recommended to leave it soaking, which also speeds up the cooking process. Because chickpea contains lots of potassium, it's not recommended for those with kidney conditions, since the kidneys stop filtering the excess potassium in blood, which can lead to complications. And remember, consuming chickpea in excess leads to an imbalance of estrogen levels, the female hormone. You can consume this legume in many different ways, such as soups, salads, hamburgers, snacks, etc. A good idea is to mix it with whole grain cereals, like rice, providing good quality protein almost free of water and fat. You can eat a big spoonful or a medium ladle of chickpea per day at most. Tell us, did you know all those benefits already? Were you surprised? Do you intend to include chickpea in your diet? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.